So here, I'll be just talking about general disclosure are very simple about the organization, like about your organization, like what is the details, like your listed entity, your products, services you are dealing into, what kind of business operations you are dealing, how many employees you have, your stakeholders, internal, external, all these definitions in the general disclosures about your holdings, subsidiaries, your CSR details, all these comes under the general disclosure. And in the management disclosure, it is more about your how do you see the inclusion of your the policies, in line with this nine principle which BRSR defined. And the policy procedures, of course, that is also integral part of the management disclosure. Then also your vision, your company statement by the directors, then your goals and targets, and also your codes, certifications, levels, standards, whatever your company has achieved as a credential is, the field they are dealing with. So all those certifications and codes are integral part of this management disclosure. And apart from that, there is a statement by the director, like what is his mission and vision towards, the long term sustainability goals, how he feels, how he wants to take his company to a newer heights when it is in a responsible manner, not just from the conventional point of view. So how he sees that all transition factor, what is his understanding about that. Then also that how you define the authority, decision, formation of committee is a very, very important as a management disclosure, because that's the starting point in any organization when you define the responsibility metrics, that who will do what, when you define the ESG targets. And also then when you look the national guidelines of the RSR and you review, and you basically you try to synergize it with your current operational requirements, and you make it more responsible towards your stakeholders, towards the environment, and towards the larger segment of the community. So it's a very integrated approach. And another factor in the management disclosures, that's about the independent assessment by the third party, which adds a lot of, I would say, credential that there is a third party who also see your ESG sustainability reporting, so that they verify and they do the validation of all the compliances. So basically, your the whatever you are doing and you are trying to prove through execution, complying. So everything is through a check on. So third party is doing that aspect, and you can call it a regional. You can call it third party assurance, which is a regional assurance that is defined by the SEBI.